Tom, do you see the role of identity changing to less of a gatekeeper, more of a signal or sensor for when things change?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if we think historically, AAA, authentication, authorization, and accounting or auditing, it was always about that logging and monitoring of, post-authentication and authorization. What are users actually doing? And those signals are critical, because if an identity starts going rogue, and we've seen, this is still the most common way of breaches starting, is stolen credentials being misused rather than breaking the 0 days. That accounting piece of getting those signals of how is the access being used and is this normal are absolutely critical. So you've got to be feeding that into the SOC. Equally, they've got to have enough context about that to make sensible decisions about it. Is this a security alert? Do we need to start adding friction to the user? Has the world changed in a way that risk tolerance is now not acceptable? And then how do we slow them down? What actions can we take? Reset the password, adding MFA, whatever those actions are that you can slow an attacker down, stop them laterally moving and reduce the damage.